Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So students, today we are going to discuss the problems related to decision making. I, in this session I have 4 problems, okay? 2 for me and 2 for you. Problem number 1 and 2 I solve, and problem number 3 and 4 is your home assignment, okay? Let's discuss the problem one by one. The first problem is to find a greater number between two numbers. Okay, to resolve the solution of this problem, first of all you have to go through the flow chart of this problem. Okay. How can we resolve this problem? First of all, you will take the two values a and b. After that you will check if a is greater than b. This condition may be true or false. If this condition is true, then it will print a is greater. If this case is fails, then it will print b is greater. Okay. Now implement this flowchart in your Python program. Okay. First of all, copy this problem. And post has sign. First of all, take two values. Okay. Now if a equals to converted into integer, we use input keyword to take the values, input, write down the message, enter the first number. Okay. Similarly, we'll take the second number also. Copy this line and paste, and write down the second value will be stored in b, and here write down set. Okay. And this way you will take two values. Now apply the if condition. If, write down the condition, if a is greater than b, and put colon, write down the message, print first number is greater. Okay. First, or you can write down directly a is greater than b. Okay. Here you are writing a and b. It will print the values of a and b. Okay. If this case fails, for failing condition, write down else. Okay. And write down the message here. If a is not greater than b, it means b is greater value. So write down b is greater than a. Save this program and run. Okay. First it will ask for the first, enter the first value. First value is 56. Enter the second value is 89. So 89 is greater than 56. Oh, so it is the simple problem. Okay, now let's move to the next problem. That is, write a program to find the greater number between three numbers. Okay. So first of all, we will create the solution of this problem using if and else condition. After that, we will create the program of this problem using elif condition and using logical operators. Okay. So go through the flowchart of this problem. Okay. As you can see, the first of all you will take three numbers a, b and c. Okay. Now first of all you will check if a is greater than b. If this condition comes true, then it will check if a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, it means a is the greater number. Okay. Okay, the second case, if a is greater than b but a is not greater than c, it means c is the greater number. Clear? Okay. What happens if this case becomes fail? Okay. If a is greater than b, no, it means b is greater than a. If b is greater than a, then you check is b is greater than c. If b is greater than c, it means b is the greater number. If this case becomes false, b is greater than a, but B is not greater than C, it means C is the greatest number. Okay, so implement this flowchart in your Python code. Okay, let's move to the, so first of all, copy the problem. No need to copy because I have already written write a program to find a greater number between three numbers. Okay, now take three numbers here. The third value is C. Okay, enter the third. Third. Okay, so according to this flowchart, so first of all I am checking A is greater than B. Yes. Is A is greater than C? So similarly I will check. Is A is greater than B? Yes. Then I'll check if A is greater than C. Yes. It means A is the greatest. A is the greatest. Okay. Now, in this case, in this condition, both cases are true. A is greater than B. Yes. A is greater than C. You can see A is greater than B. Yes. A is greater than C. Yes. It means A is the greatest number. Okay. Now, what happens if this case becomes fails? So it means C is the greatest number. Okay. Sorry. If this case becomes fails, to write down the else condition for this if. Okay, else what will happen? Print C is the greatest. Okay, C is the greatest. Clear? Now check if A is greater than B. Yes, A is greater than C. Yes, A is the greatest number. If this condition becomes fail, it means C is the greatest number. What happens if this condition becomes fails? So it means B is greater than A. Then it will check B is greater than C. Okay. Check. This is the else for this if. Else, write down if. If B is greater than C. B is greater than C, it means B is the greatest number. Means B is the greatest number. Else C is the greatest. Okay, now we have checked all the conditions. Okay, now if this condition becomes fails, it means B is greater than A. If B is greater than A, then check B is greater than C. Yes, B is greater than C, it means B is the greatest number. If B is not greater than C, it means C is the greatest. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. Now save this program and run it. Okay, enter the first number, for example 123, enter the second number, for example 67, and the third number is 59. It means 123 is the greatest number. Okay, now you are seeing that the problem is going to little critical. Okay, now you have only three numbers. So what will happen if you have more than three numbers, 4, 5 and more than these numbers? Then what will happen? Then this problem will become more complex, more critical. Okay, to resolve this problem, first of all, go through the flowchart. Okay, in this flowchart we can compare the multiple condition at a time. First of all, you will take the three values A, B and C. Okay, now you will check A to both B and C. If A is greater than B and if A is greater than C, if both conditions are true, it means A is the greatest number. Okay, if both conditions are true, then it will make A is the greatest number. If any one of the condition fails, so it means any one condition is false. So it will go to the next step. It will check B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So if B is greater than both the number A and C, then it will print B is the greatest number. If this condition also become fail, then it will print C is the greatest number. Neither A is the greatest number, neither B is the greatest number, it means C is the greatest number. So implement this logic in your Python program. Okay. Now, so you have already taken 3 numbers. Now check A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So it means no need of this statement now. Print A is the greatest number. Now use elif statement. Okay. Elif means else plus if makes elif. Okay. So write down elif statement. Elif. Write down the condition. B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So it means B is the greatest number. B is the greatest number. Else C is the greatest. Okay. First of all, it will check both the condition. Is A is greater than B and A is greater than C. What is the use of AND operator? AND operator checks the truthness of all condition. If this condition true and this condition is also true, then it will returns true. Then it will print A is the greatest number. If any one of the condition fails, then it will go to the elif statement. It will check B is greater than A and B is greater than C. If both conditions are true, then it will print B is the greatest number. If any one of the condition fails, then it will print C is the greatest number. Okay. So if you have 3, 4, 5, 6 and any number, so you can check easily which is the greatest. Okay. So now you have to practice for these problems. Now the next problem is program to find the area and circumference of a circle and check which is the greater, area and circumference. So what will you do? First of all, you will take input radius as an input, then you will find out area and circumference. After that, you will check which is greater, area or circumference, like first problem. Okay. Now second problem is little critical. So in this problem, first of all, you will take the marks of 5 subjects of a student. Okay. Then you will decide the division according to his or her percentage. Okay. Then after getting the marks, you will find out the sum and percentage and check the condition according to the given conditions. Okay. If percentage is greater than 75, then it will print first division with honor. If percentage is greater than equals to 60, it will print first division only. If percentage is greater than 45, then it will print second division. If percentage is greater than equals to 33, then it will print third division. Otherwise, it will print fail. Okay. So these two problems, problem number 3 and 4, is your home assignment. Okay. Okay, students. So enough for this session. So have a nice day. Be healthy. Be safe.